Today many people live a fast-paced, high-energy life. With that comes high stress and lots of demands. It seems as though we are always moving swiftly and never slowing down to admire the environment around us. Like this bird, for example. Most people would simply walk by it and they wouldn't notice it. But if you're looking carefully, you can see the bird eating its lunch. Now this may not seem like a very important thing to notice, but even taking a couple minutes out of your day to spend time in nature is sometimes all you need to forget about and even alleviate the pressures in your life. So go outside and get some exercise. Take a walk, go for a run, or even chase the geese. It's important that we take time out of our stressful day to pause, reflect, and think about the life around us. This helps us clear our mind of all the stressful and negative things in our life. I often find that being in nature is the best place to think and reflect by myself. I also enjoy running outside because of the fresh air and the beautiful scenery around me. If we took just 5 minutes out of every day to pause and be with nature, to think of how much more relaxing our life would be.